In this video, I'm decorating my bar cart. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way, you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, in today's video, I'm participating in an open invitation, and this challenge is titled Fall Bar Cart Collab, and it is hosted by two wonderful YouTube sisters of mine. The host is Marilyn at Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and Kimberly at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Now, if you're not familiar with these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist and the proper protocol for collaborations listed down below in the description. Now, all they asked us to do was to decorate our bar carts for fall. Simple. And they asked us to use the hashtag Fall Bar Cart Collab 2020. Now, if you're interested in seeing what I did for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Alright, on the bottom of my bar cart, I'm using my wooden lantern that I purchased at Dirt Cheap. And then I'm using my copper teapot with the copper glasses and the coasters. And then at the back, I have the black and white, the orange and white, green and white, just really fall color straws in the glass container at the back on the bottom row. I want to keep it simple for fall. Now the top shelf, I'm using my new ginger jar that I just DIY'd with some flowers in it from the Dollar Tree. And I have this two black candle holders. I thrifted those, and I thought the black and white pumpkins would look really cute on there because it goes along with the theme I'm doing this year for fall. And I'm also using the other wooden lantern that I picked up at Dirt Cheap. And then I also added one of the Dollar Tree pumpkins down here and the sign that says Believe. I basically want to keep my bar cart very simple this year. I don't want to have too much going on. I just wanted it to be simple, laid back, where it wasn't, a whole lot of confusion. I'm trying to do everything very simple and no spend. No spend is the best thing for me this season. That is my ultimate goal, a no spend. Now the ginger jar, it was only $3. Boom. I had a can of white paint already at home. And then I already had all the straws. Everything on there I had except for that orange pumpkin. I bought that a couple of weeks ago from the Dollar Tree. But here's an overall look at my bar cart for the fall. Nothing spectacular. Very simple. Neat and clean to the point. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below. And also, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying you be blessed.